rising India. India is a country now to consider the developed nation. So what is the contribution of these Vidyalaya? Because where they are nurturing the children and they are setting the standards of these children. Previously, all the schools were so designed that all the education is taking place within the four walls. So the child learns only when he comes to the school and whatever the teacher teaches, he considers that the final thing and he or she learns. But the advent of National Education Policy 2020, before that also policies were there, but National Education Policy 2020 brought many changes.
So this is all in so I think it's not required. What we have told in other learning outcomes is required for this is all meant for the teachers, where you know what is the purpose of having learning outcomes is being described here, and purpose is not your problem. Your problem is to check whether the learning outcomes are achieved by your works or not. So please go ahead, ma'am. So implementation of learning outcomes at every stage of schooling. What are learning outcomes? We have done several times. Go back. Yeah. Go back. Yes. Learning outcomes are assessment standards indicating the expected levels of learning the children should achieve for their class. Learning outcomes help teachers to understand.
यूज नहीं पड़ेगी। इसमें कितनी अच्छी बात है, डोंट स्टेप अप, डोंट कवर योर नोज, डोंट स्टेयर। इसकी मतलब इतना अच्छा, ऐसे ही पहले गाड़ी में दिया था, बम्बू मत करो, ये सब मत करो, लड़ो मत, ये मत। लेकिन जो है फिर भी बच्चे होते हैं, वो आप लोगों कंट्रीब्यूट शेयर करेंगे।
Very true. Education should be true. I think I forget.
Right now, I am the expert over here. But I am very much grateful that my children are here now. Actually, Korea Spirit was mine.
Thank you to all of you that you listened and participated very actively, and I am very much delighted to know the responses of parents also, that you are very happy to have got your part admitted in our PM SHRI KV TIRUMALAGIRI.